Luke Bryan's 2018 farm tour gets underway on September 27. Credit: imageSPACE, Rex. Shutterstock Fresh. From his American Idol judging responsibilities, Luke Bryan revealed dates for the 2018 edition of his annual farm tour, set to visit a handful of agricultural communities beginning September 27. Now in its 10th year, the farm tour currently has 6 dates scheduled in the first weeks of fall, with one weekend visiting spots across the Midwest and a second weekend heading back down south to conclude in Bryan's home state of Georgia. Bryan started the farm tour in 2009, aiming to bring awareness to farming communities in the U.S., as well as provide scholarships for families who live in those communities. Bryan's farm tour shows are nestled neatly between dates for his upcoming What Makes You Country tour, which officially gets underway May 31 in Toronto, Ontario. That track, which mixes festival appearances, amphitheaters and stadiums, is scheduled to run through October 26 at Ford Field in Detroit, Michigan. John Party, who accompanied Bryan on the 2017 farm tour, is along for the ride, as are Morgan Wallen and Carly Pearce. For the larger stadium dates, Sam Hunt will round out the lineup. On Monday, Bryan wrapped up his first season as an American Idol judge alongside Katy Perry and Lionel Richie, following the coronation of Clarksville, Iowa, native Maddie Papa. Bryan introduced his new single, Sunrise, Sunburn, Sunset, on the season finale, which will be the follow-up to his #1, Most People Are Good, Luke Bryan Farm Tour, 2018 dates. September 27, Irwin, at Spring Fork Farms. September 28, Pasodum, at Atkins Farm. September 29, Boone, at Seal Farm. October 4, Archer, FL at Whitehurst Cattle Company. October 5, North Augusta, SC at Misty Morning Farms. October 6, Ringgold, Doug Yates Farms.